Hello friends, today's topic, three assets everybody must possess. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Many people don't know the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets are things which helps you to earn money, whereas liabilities are things which make you pay or lose money. Higher the assets and lower the liabilities, the better it is. There are many things which people think are their assets but are actually liabilities. There is a famous book, Rich Dad and Poor Dad, written by Robert Kiyosaki, which talks about what are assets and liabilities in our lives. If you have not read this book, you can find it online and you can read it. If I ask you whether your own house is your asset or liability, you'll immediately reply, that is an asset. However, as per Robert Kiyosaki, your house is a liability. Own house, which is self-occupied, is not considered an asset because it does not bring you any money. In fact, it takes away money from you in terms of maintenance costs, property tax, painting, electricity, water, repair for wear and tear, etc. The house is given on rent, then it can be considered an asset since it brings you some money. Similarly, a vehicle is not an asset. You need to spend money for insurance, servicing, parts replacement, etc. Hence, these are liabilities, not assets. In this video, we will list three main assets which you must consider to invest into earn more money for yourself in the future. Number one, stocks. When you research and invest in stock markets for the long term, you are sure to create huge wealth. It is only when people blindly invest and neglect their investments do they lose money in stocks. The only question is, how much percentage returns will you earn? Somebody may earn only 10%, another person may earn 15%, and another person 18%. It all depends on how well you invest and manage your stocks. Stocks are one of the main assets a person should own to create wealth for himself and family. Number two, business. In stock markets, we invest our money in good businesses which are run by other founders and capable management. On the other hand, when we start our own business, we are investing money in our own skills to grow money. Since people feel that starting business is risky, you can always start something and do it part-time initially. Once you achieve some level of success and money and are confident of expanding it, then you can take it up full time and earn lots of money. In fact, the richest people in the world are either investors or entrepreneurs. This is because of the huge potential of money in multiplication. Even if you don't become one of the richest people in the world, at least you will have more money than majority of the people around you. For example, look at these successful businesses run by people known to you or in and around where you live. Such people have created an asset called business which brings them money regularly every month. Here is an announcement. ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಫಂಡೋ ಶೇರೋ ಯಾವುದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಲಾಭಕರ? ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ. ಇದೇ ಬುಧವಾರ ರಾತ್ರಿ 9:15 ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈವ್ ಆನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಭರತ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಚಾನಲ್ by Dr. Bharath Chandra and Rohan Chandra. Now the third asset you should own is real estate. Your self-occupied house may not be an asset in the strictest terms. However, buying residential sites, commercial sites or office spaces are assets which appreciate with time. If you earn some rent from a portion of your house, then it can be an asset partially. It may offset the cost of maintaining a house. Good real estate investments can give you anywhere between 10 to 12% per annum returns in the long term. So think and plan accordingly. Many people invest all the life savings on their own house without keeping aside sufficient money for the retirement, children expenses, etc. This is one of the biggest mistakes that people do in personal finance. If you focus on these three main assets in your life, you are sure to create huge wealth. Most of our parents and elders have discouraged us from all these three assets and advised us not to invest in stocks, not to start your own business. We are advised to buy our own house as early as possible in life. Unfortunately, such advice may not help us become very wealthy in life. End of the video, here is a question. Do you think parents will encourage their children more to do business in this generation? Yes or no, you may type. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. Video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.